Okay, this has long been overdue. I have this habit of buying gadgets and then they sit for like a week or 2 weeks before I even unbox them. I bought this 2 weeks ago and it's been seated. The speakers sat for a while. The phone sat for like months. Anyway, so this is the on 4K Pro. For Pro, the Pro bit is important because there is the on just 4K. Hold on. Yeah, so I got this off Walmart because Amazon didn't have the 4K Pro, it just had the on 4K. It's a TV box. It's, for my little research, what I saw, it's like the Google TV box. This is the next best thing to the Google one because you have the Apple TV, the Amazon Fire Stick thing, and then you have the Google box, and this is like the only other good one in that category or caliber. So yeah, this is the on 4K. Should probably close this one. Yeah. So this, yeah, was about, how much was this? I was supposed to buy the Amazon Fire Stick. I put it in my cart. It was $39, and then I go back like 2 days later to actually pay, and they had increased the price to like 50 something bucks, which is good news for me because in that moment I was like, wait, is Amazon the only provider for these TV stick kind of things? Why am I getting this? Yeah, the native TV always sucks if you have any TV that's not an LG. Because I think that's the best like UI I've seen, and they kind of work well. You don't really need, also maybe Sony's, but any other Samsung, TCL, blah blah blah, the local always sucks. It's slow, it's laggy, the apps suck. You can't even, it's hard to install like your own TV apps. So yeah, I decided to get this 4K resolution, Dolby ATMOS, Dolby Vision, blah, 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 and a bunch of other things, easily cast, blah blah blah. So yeah, so this runs Android, and apparently it's also kind of smart. Like I can tell it to switch off my lights or whatever. So this is going to be the unboxing. I think I'll try, I probably won't because but in case I ever do, I'll do a video of how like the UI looks like and setting it up on the TV, blah blah blah, and all these other things. But for now, I actually just want to unbox it because it's been seated in a box for like weeks since I bought it, and I should really buy a scissor or something for this room because I'm always unboxing shit, but I never have something to cut the box tape with. Okay, there we go. No, there we don't go. Okay, nails it is. God, yeah, okay, this is really strong tape. That's your first review right there. The tape is really strong. Also, I don't have nails, so maybe that. And as usual, let me check if this is still recording. I don't know why I do that. It's an iPhone. Of course it's recording. Trauma from past Sony shitty experiences. Okay, there we go. This is how it looks like. I don't know where this thing's frame is. Blah blah blah. Okay, straight out the box. It's big. First impressions. Okay, let me just do this. Shit, that's been recording the wrong Zoom. Anywho, some manuals, the speaker. Oh, that's big. That's actually big. It's bigger than I expected. So here's a bunch of words here. DCE, just showing you which port is where. Setup 4K Pro, at least 12 inches away. Okay. Main switch, blah 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 blah. What else is in this box? Oh, cool. HDMI and the remote, which has, it's very small. It's a very small remote. Yeah, very small remote. This is what I'm excited for. This uses AAA, I'm guessing. Yeah, AAA. Cool. Free TV, YouTube, Netflix, Disney, Paramount. Strange. Okay, this I'm guessing is for the free TV. Ooh, and they gave us your HDMI, and they gave us some free AAA sales by weird companies, and the cable. Okay, that's all that's in the box. I'm going to be setting this up when? That's the question. And will I be able to film that when I actually finally set it up? Well, I could do that now. Nah. It's probably a bunch of steps and things that I have to skip, and setting up accounts and yada yada yada, things that I want to get into right now. Wait, how was this? Okay. So yeah, that's what you get in the box of the ON 4K Pro. Emphasis on the Pro because there is another that's just ON 4K, that's not Pro. Amazon doesn't have the Pro, so I had to look for it somewhere else. Funny thing though, they Amazon had the normal, keep mentioning Amazon, they should pay me. They had the normal one that's not Pro at the same price that Walmart had the Pro. So lucky me. More of the story: before you buy something, explore as many stores as you can, because you never know. Bye.